What's up, guys? SW. So it's been about 48 hours. I've been letting the paint cure, so now I'm about to go on ahead and throw some spackle down and smooth out this hole. Then I will be ready to be putting on the garbage disposal after I spackle it and repaint. So let's get it. Okay, here we go. We gotta remove these weights. And that was just to hold it down to get the caulk to adhere. And then there's little stuff like that I gotta pull out right there. Not a big whoop. Now I'm about to vacuum this up and put one more can of paint. My wife actually bought me 2 cans, so I'm gonna put one more can down. So I'm gonna use this fancy thing. I'm a stay-at-home dad. You know, I do the mom duties. And one thing I noticed is I like cleaning. So my wife buys me cleaning stuff. Some cool little vacuum master. Love this thing. Gonna do a review on it. Now, since I know there's gonna be a lot of blowback from the paint I'm using, I'm about to set a fan up and open the door.
Alright, let's get some of this up on it. Which way want to go this way? Oh yeah, that's good and yucky. Just the way I like it. Whoops. There you go. Take this crap on. Yes, baby. I'm okay. Are you okay? I'm over here fixing the sink so we can have our kitchen sink back. I'm almost done. Yep. Mm-hmm. Go.
Alright, now I'm good. Just about to rub this across, get a little sand action going, nothing too extreme. Alright, let's get it.